Which of the following is the capital city of the Bahamas, archipelago, and country on the northwestern edge of the West Indies? Nassau, Lusaka, Baku, Luanda. The correct answer is Nassau. Chinese restaurants often display a statue of which animal with one paw raised for good luck? Dragon, tiger, cat, lion. The correct answer is cat. Which of these is the nickname for U.S. state Georgia? Peach State, Diamond State, Land of Sky Blue Waters, Constitution State. The correct answer is Peach State. Sweet potatoes are commonly referred to by what other name? Yams, carrots, turnips, beets. The correct answer is yams. What cord connects a developing baby to the placenta? Spinal cord, umbilical cord, vocal cord, tendon. The correct answer is umbilical cord. Which gas do plants absorb from the air during photosynthesis? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which state of matter has both a definite shape and definite volume? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. The correct answer is solid. Which cell organelle acts as the shipping center by packaging and transporting proteins? Ribosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondrion, nucleus. The correct answer is Golgi apparatus. What's the name of the building where telescopes are kept for observing the stars? Observatory, planetarium, laboratory, museum. The correct answer is observatory. Which state did the United States go to war with in 1812? France, Mexico, Great Britain, Spain. The correct answer is Great Britain. Who unified China and became its first emperor? Sun Yat-sen, Qin Shi Huang, Confucius, Kublai Khan. The correct answer is Qin Shi Huang. What is an underground burial site called? Mausoleum, catacomb, crypt, tomb. The correct answer is catacomb. What is the term for a place where monks live and work? Convent, monastery, temple, chapel. The correct answer is monastery. What do you call an above-ground structure built to house tombs? Mausoleum, catacomb, shrine, crypt. The correct answer is mausoleum. What is the name for a tiered Buddhist temple tower with multiple eaves? Pagoda, stupa, shrine, ziggurat. The correct answer is pagoda.